And then you said, was it Chico that was the runt?
Mm-hmm. He's the smallest of all the boys.
Yeah. It's so fun.
Yeah, she's a loner.
And you said they're 11 weeks?
They're 10 weeks
Or 10
today.
weeks, excuse me, okay.
Yep.
10 weeks. Yeah, the other one we looked at last night is 11 weeks today. And he's tiny, he's going to be like 4 pounds, but he's a long-haired, so we're trying to decide, you know, do we want a smooth coat or a long coat, you know?
What do you have in your mouth? Come here. They're all just like always like running around.
That's so fun.
It is. They're funny. They are pure entertainment.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure they're a handful too.
Oh yeah.
How do you sleep well at night? Like, do they whine or bark quite a bit, or?
No, they sleep through the night mostly actually.
Hi, you.
Mom typically likes to pick on him.
Yeah. That's so funny.
Yeah, they're so funny. They just like all play together and there you are.
Milo, come here. Milo, come here.
That's such a busy house.
Yes, very.
With all your own little babies.